it's been a few since I got on my bike. Do you know the way to get right back to what today you like? Do you have what you thought was in store from way back when before? Slowly in time, like a pencil drawn line, erases too close behind, so it's dots. Are you asleep, my friend? 'Cause I ain't been awake as much as I had thought. Can't try to pretend.
I realized that I didn't show you what I've done with the table. It was kind of last minute. We got it pushed together really quickly. So I'll show you where we're at with it. So today we've decided that we're going to be making some adjustments to the Murphy bed. That requires us to do quite a bit of cutting and sanding and disassembling. So I've got the bed down. Hey, Boo Boo.
Hi.
And I'm about to take the mattress off, and we've got drills, routers, sanders, maybe multi-tools involved in today's project. Oh, and hand saws.
Yeah, I'm going to be sanding the 2 little trim pieces. She's gonna be destroying the whole bed. I'm going to be trimming some stuff.
Here's the thing, hopefully I have enough daylight to get this done. Otherwise, we don't have a place to sleep tonight. Maybe we could tent camp in the front yard.
Oh my god, that would be funny.
True Madison style.
Cool, let's do that.
Alright. Have fun sanding, Boo Boo.
You too, Bobo.
You don't need help?
I got it. It's done.
Sure.
It's done! I did turn the light on though.
Erases too close behind, so it's dots. Slowly in time, like a pencil drawn line.
So my task is pretty easy. Just stain the wood. Wow, that looks beautiful. Of course, that's the type of stuff that happens to me when I try to do things by my own. I just crack the freaking stuff. No. My solution is I turn it around and put the broken piece on the side, which nobody will tell. And hopefully it works. If not, the piece is already broken, so we might as well try it. Chase is back. I told him that I needed him.
Why?
Because I broke that piece.
Oh,
He said it was fine.
It's fine.
I know he's lying, but
No, it's fine. You can't even see it.
he was thoughtful enough to get me onion rings and burger.
It's all there ever was. Don't believe the hype, baby. No reason, just because. Please go down, just go down. 50
Split the wood.
That's okay.
Oops.
It's okay, just give it hell.
There was a tiny little bit liquid.
That's pretty much it for the day. We've done a lot, and I know we're both tired, so we need to clean up a bit and then clean up ourselves. I don't even know what I'm saying. How do you feel about the work we got done today?
Good. I still think we have something to do, but I don't remember what it is. Nothing for today.
Yeah,
I'm
nothing
finishing
for today.
cleaning here. Thanks. Thanks. Bye.
When I was a kid, I didn't know what I would be. My obsession of life did not give me the eyes to see. So I packed up my key and
Friends, before we hit the road, we decided that we're gonna show you some of the changes we have done in the van. This doesn't mean that we're done with changes, because there's some stuff that we run out of time before being able to finish it. So some more changes are coming to the van, but let me show you so far how it looks. Starting for the entrance. Right here on the side was a part that I hated. It looked so bad before because you could see all the insulation. It wasn't finished. It was a hard spot to do, and my dad took care of it, and I think it looks so much better. He did a little trim piece in the front, but we also installed something that we didn't get to show you in camera. Let me show you. We have two dogs. You probably know them, Pablo and Jake. So we decided to install this little thing. It's a baby gate. Okay. We just click it there, and then we can unlock it. There you go. It's a little more difficult than I thought, but it keeps the dogs from coming out, which is great because there's a lot of cute places that we want to park and just enjoy the breeze, and we're not able to do it without worrying about the dogs coming out. So this is gonna keep them out, and you just have to take it apart the same way. Boop. The biggest change for me, it's clearly the paint color if you didn't see it. We wanted to do a little bit darker to make it feel a little bit more roomy and homey and just like a little cozy. We were a little tired of like light colors, and we went with this terracotta color, and I think it matches the aesthetic of the van pretty well. We just have to change some stuff, some decoration, which I haven't been able to do, but I already convinced Chase, so don't worry about it. We're getting some new pills and blankets and stuff. The next thing, it's right here in the back, and it's a pretty big change as well. It's our sofa. So if you remember before, we used to have a leather sofa, which I really enjoy, and the color was beautiful and matched pretty good with the van before. But Jake got on top of the sofa and poked a hole in it. And also the cushion we used wasn't as comfortable as this one. So we went with a thicker memory foam, and we went with a fabric sofa. We actually pay someone to do it, but I think she did such a good job. Staying in the same area, which is not the living room area, we did some changes in our room, which we have a Murphy bed where you can take it down and go to sleep. It's as easy as that. But it was having a little bit of squeaky problems. So if you know something about Chase and I, it's the like, if we're driving down the road and we hear a little squeaky noise, we're gonna have to find it and fix it. And the bed was one of those that it was like every move you took, it was like and it was so annoying. So Chase came with the solution. Also, he routed around the bed to make it a little bit more comfortable to get in and out, so you were not like scratching. It was a little bit more smooth. And also that helped with the bed being flush with the wall. Before there was a little gap, now it's like perfect. And one of the most necessary changes we did, which I'm very happy, is at the very back. Here in the back, you might think it looks pretty similar, but we went with different color wood. We did some changes to make it a little bit easier to access to the back of the van, which is where our water tank is, our outside shower. And then we have this tiny little table that we use as a desktop, or if we're outside hanging out with friends, we can just like have snacks and stuff. But also underneath, we created a little hole where it's gonna show us how empty or how full our water tank is, which is located right there. We also moved the water fill up station. It used to be where the hole was, and because it was so low, every single time we fill up with water, water will splash out and the whole material in the back got ruined, so we had to redo all that. We decided to move it up a little bit, and it so far has worked wonders. We also added a check valve, which allows water to just go one way through, so that way water gets in, but it closes itself so water will not come out. And I think this is some of the changes. I'm super excited with them. I love them. I still want to do some decor changes, and I also want to change some things in the shower. So if you want to keep up with us and all the changes going on, you better subscribe and be part of our friends and family here on YouTube. And a lot of you probably are noticing and asking yourself, why are you changing so many stuff in your van? If Chase knew that I was telling you a little bit about these, he will be probably mad. But I'm not saying we change your things in the van for a reason that you might be hearing about in a couple of weeks, maybe a month, maybe less than that. I don't know. How are you feeling?
I like the changes. I'm a little nervous about the decoration changes, but I guess everyone gets to make their decisions on things that go in the van. I get a PS5, you get decorations.
Oh, whatever.
But truthfully, I think most of all, I am not looking forward to the drive that we're about to make.
I know. We have around 3 days. I'm excited. I'm excited to get back on the road.
Yeah. You'll have to tell me how the booty of the van looks going down the road.
I'm excited also for the new things coming for us.
The decorations or those things?
Those things.
Oh gosh, you all are not prepared for this.
Went to a